Imagine this. You have two paths in front of you. One path is crowded, thousands of people chasing the same thing, jobs, salaries, survival. The other path is quiet, fewer people, but far more opportunity. The question is, which path would you choose? The truth is, most people choose the crowded path. They wake up early, work all day, deal with stress, and at the end of the month, they earn just enough to survive. Not enough to grow, not enough to build freedom. But here's the real question. Do you think successful people follow that same path? No. They think differently. They look for opportunities where demand never stops, where people are always buying, no matter what. And one of those opportunities is the clothing business. Think about it. Do people ever stop buying clothes? No. Every season, every trend, every event, people always need new outfits. This is a business where demand never dies. Let's say you buy a t-shirt for $5. You sell it for $10 or even $15. Sounds simple, right? But the real power is in scaling. The more you sell, the more you earn. There are two simple ways to start. First, you can buy clothes from wholesale suppliers and sell them locally or online. This requires low investment and is very beginner friendly. Second, you can build your own brand. Create a simple clothing line, promote it on social media, and if one design works, you can sell it again and again. You don't need a lot to start. Even with $50 to $200, you can begin. A few products, a simple page, and consistency. That's enough. But let's be real. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes effort, it takes time, but the opportunity is real. Most people wait. They wait for the perfect moment. But the truth is, the perfect moment never comes. You can start small today. Just a few products. In a few months, that can turn into something bigger. And in a year, it could become a real business. At the end of the day, opportunities are everywhere. But not everyone sees them. So the real question is, will you follow the crowd or will you create your own path?